Hi, we're here with Derek Wright, European Product Marketing Manager for Viewsonic, and he's going to show us the Viewpad 10.
Hi, thanks very much for coming. So we have the Viewpad 10 here, currently sitting in Windows 7 Home Premium operating system.
Yep.
But this is a world's first device in terms of tablet, because it's not just Windows 7 Home Premium. We're actually dual boot on this device, so it can run Android 1.6 as well. Okay. Also in world's first, while I'm there, in terms of Android, we believe this is the world's fastest Android tablet at the moment. That's because inside here we have an Atom N455 processor with 1 gig of DDR3 RAM.
Okay.
Now that processor is running at 1.66 gigahertz, so combined with that 1 gig of RAM,
yep,
that's what brings about that speed in terms of operation.
Okay.
Combined with that, we have a 16 gig SSD built in to hold both of these operating systems within them.
Okay. And there's a card, there's a SD card facility for further expansion as well.
There's a micro SD on the side, so I'll just show you that in here. The micro SD just here. We have mini VGA here. We have 2 standard USB 2.0 ports here, and then headphones and microphone here.
Okay.
Obviously, with those 2 USB 2 ports, you can use this as you would a standard PC. So you could use a standard USB dongle, you could use a keyboard, a mouse, or even plugging in your camera or camcorder like you're using now to download all of that.
Are there any other ports you want to talk us through on
that's on the device?
That's it on the device, just that one side.
And then I'll just show you the back while I'm doing that.
Yep.
So,
sort of burnished aluminium sort of look.
Yes.
Okay.
And obviously within Windows 7 Home Premium we have full multi-touch capability.
Yeah.
This is where I'm testing my skills in trying to talk at the same time. Yeah, we're not doing too well on that, so maybe we just close that.
Maybe show the multi-touch pictures. What are these buttons down the side, on the right-hand side?
So here we have, that's the power button.
Okay.
These are essentially for within Android.
Oh, okay, they're for Android. Okay, sure. Okay. And obviously,
so let me just show you some of the pitch to zoom from within here. So very, very easy to use. And in terms of specification for Windows 7 Home Premium, it's not high, but as you can see from that, very, very quick and easy to use.
Yeah.
So if I just boot into Android
absolutely,
as well,
demonstrate that. Yeah.
So I didn't want to press that because I've sent it to sleep. Of course, I would shut it down like that. One thing I didn't mention that's useful for in Windows is the 1.3 megapixel webcam at the top here.
Okay.
So perfect for Skype. Again, extending that more professional use that we're expecting for this tablet.
Yeah. Okay.
So in terms of on Android, just start this up. So we'd use this button here just to switch between the two. We won't push that at the moment. We'll hit this one to select.
Yep, the bottom button selects it. Yep.
Or it will auto boot into Android if I don't press it in time. That's all user definable from within Windows as well. So you could set so that you boot solely into Windows or solely into Android and select the time in which it would wait as well. So as you can see, very, very fast boot time. A little too quick for me to explain.
It was very quick,
But in terms of the speed of this, you can just straight away see from that the speed at which it will run. Do have very, very, very fast in terms of that. Again, we can have the G sensor. I've read through this book really,
and you can use this as a phone, just like
this doesn't have the 3G capability built in,
so it doesn't support Android Marketplace. This one isn't supported by
No.
Android Marketplace. Okay, unlike the 7-inch version.
So this is without Android Market. we do have our own basic application store that will come on the device.
Okay. All right. So there will be a Viewsonic app store, will there?
It's not at the moment Viewsonic branded, but there will be an application store.
Okay.
There's also documents to go
Okay.
there as well.
Yeah, that's also on the
that I've
7-inch.
already talked about. And relatively basic Skype because it is 1.6.
Okay. Yep.
So it is good for quick applications. In terms of using the camera, I haven't tried this. We do need to have an SD card. That's
okay.
That's you in there.
So right, come again, because this is an important point, isn't it? Certain functions work better with an SD card, or needing an SD card to function.
This isn't
expand on that.
That's the case for the Viewpad 7.
Oh, okay.
So for most of the applications within this device, because we have a 16 gig SSD built in, there is available space within that.
Okay.
Most of the applications shouldn't need a micro SD to operate within the Viewpad 10.
Okay.
It might have been that the camera did.
It's got voice Google
It
voice
doesn't
search
have
on
Google
this.
voice search
because it
again,
doesn't have 2.2 and it's 1.6. Okay,
Correct.
of course. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, unless there's anything else you want to talk about.
No.
Right,
Okay. It's available from the start of next month, so 1st of November. Hopefully see it in stores.
And it's part of this upgrade.
We're expecting prices to be around about $499,
Yep.
and retailers will have the opportunity to, if they buy into it, if they participate in it, to have a trade-in scheme.
Yeah.
You can give up to £100 off a device, off this device, if they have a netbook or a laptop that's less than 4 years old that they return. And we'll also pay for the postage as well.
Okay. Right. Okay. We'll do it. Right. Thanks very much.
Thank you.